Welcome to our next lesson, Saptami Vibhakti, locative case, seventh case in English. The subsequent, the prepositions are in, on, at, among. Let us practice some words in Saptami Vibhakti. Vrikshe, vrikshayoho, vriksheshu. Vrikshe, on the tree. See, in, on, you know how to use. Where in will come, where on will come, that I am not going to teach you, that you have to decide. Vrikshe, on the tree. Vrikshayoho, on two trees, among two trees. Vriksheshu, on trees, among trees. Among can be used less in Saptami Bhakti. Okay? Among is used much in Shashti Bhakti. So mainly we are going to use in, on, at, less with among. Nagare, in the city. Nagarayoho, in two cities. Nagareshu, in many cities. Grame, gramayoho, grameshu. Grame, in a village. Gramayoho, in two villages. Grameshu, in many villages. Marge, margayoho, margeshu. Marge, on the way. Margayoho, on two ways. Margeshu, on many ways. Way or road, both are same. Seemayam, seemayoho, seemasu. Seemayam, in the frontier. Seemayoho, in two frontiers. Seemasu, in many frontiers. Latayam, on the creeper. Latayoho, on two creepers. Latasu, on creepers, among creepers. Shakhayam, shakhayoho, shakhasu. Shakhayam, on the branch. Shakhayoho, on two branches. Shakhasu, among two branches. Okay, let us move on to next slide. We will practice some sentences in Saptami Bhakti. Marge janaha chalanti. Janaha chalanti. People are walking. Marge, on the road. People walk on the road. Pakshinaha nideshu vasanti. Pakshinaha vasanti. Pakshinaha, birds. Vasanti, live. Nideshu, in nests. Birds live in nests. Yuyam grameshu vasatha. Yuyam, you all. Vasatha, live in. Grameshu, in the villages. You all live in the villages. Tvam jale tarasi. Tvam tarasi. You swim. Tarasi means swim. Jale, in the water. You swim in the water. Vanaraha shakhasu dhavanti. Vanaraha. Vanaraha means monkeys. Dhavanti, jump or run. Shakhasu, among the branches. From one branch to another branch, we can say one branch to another branch or on the branches. Nadyaha dharayam vahanti. Nadyaha, rivers. Vahanti, flow. Dharayam, on the earth. Rivers flow on the earth. Balakaha pathashalasu pathanti. Balakaha, children, pathanti, learn or read. Pathashalasu, in schools. Radhika Chitrakalayam Nipuna Asti. Radhika is the name of a girl. Nipuna, expert. Asti is Chitrakalayam, in art, that is painting. Radhika is expert in painting. So these are some sentences. We move on to the main lesson. Before that, we request everyone to subscribe our YouTube channel Kalidasa Kendram and do not forget to press the notification. Let us move on to the next slide. Dvadashaha Pathaha, 12th lesson, Adhikarana Karakam, locative case. Saptami Vibhakti, 7th case. Kathina Shabdartha, hard word meanings. Vane, in the forest. Grihe, in the house. Guhayam, in the cave. Vriksheshu, on trees. Bile, in a hollow. Kothare, in a hole. Nagare, in the city or a town. Akashe, in the sky. Grihat, from the house. Sitaya, with Sita. Lakshmanena, with Lakshman. Bharataya, for Bharat. Paduka, to the sandals. Ravanasya, of Ravana. Rakshasan, to the demons. Ayodhyam, to Ayodhya. Dandaka Vane, in the forest called Dandaka. Now we move on to the sentences. Before going, we should understand that we are in the last spell of learning the Vibhaktis. Let us move on to the lesson. Vyagraha Vane Vasati. Vyagraha, tiger. Vasati, live. Vane, in forest. Tiger lives in forest. Manushyaha Vane Vasanti. Manushyaha, people. Vasanti, live. Vane, in forest. People live in forest. Simmaha Guhayam Vasati. Simmaha, the lion. Vasati, live. Guhayam, in the cave. A lion lives in the cave. Khagaha Vriksheshu Vasanti. Khagaha, birds. Vriksheshu, on trees. Vasanti, live. So in this slide, you should note the Saptami Vibhakti words Vane, Guhayam, Vriksheshu. Let us move on to the next slide. Sarpaha Bile Vasati. Sarpaha, the serpent. Vasati, lives. Bile, in the hole. A serpent lives in the hole. Ulukaha Kotare Vasanti. Ulukaha, owls. Vasanti, live. Kotare, in the hollow. Owls live in the hollow. Janaha Nagare Vasanti. Janaha, people. Vasanti, live. Nagare, in the city. People live in the city. Khagaha Akashe Utpatanti. Khagaha, birds. Utpatanti, fly. Akashe, in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. We move on to next batch of sentences. Meenaha Jale Taranti. Meenaha, the fishes. Jale, in the water. Taranti, live. Fishes swim in the water. Balakaha Udyane Kridanti. Balakaha, boys. Boys means including girls also. Kridanti, play. Udyane, in the garden. Children play in the garden. Nakshatram Akashe Jalati. Nakshatram, the star. Jalati, twinkles, shines. Akashe, in the sky. Star shines in the sky. Chhatraha Vidyalaye Pathanti. Chhatraha, students. Pathanti, read, learn. Vidyalaye, in the school. Students study in the school. Kukkuraha Marge Davati. Kukkuraha, a dog. Dhavati, run. Marge, on the road. A dog runs on the street or road. Phalam Vrikshe Asti. Phalam, a fruit Asti is vrikshe, on the tree. A fruit is on the tree. Aham pustakalaye pathami. Aham, I, pathami, read, learn. Pustakalaye, in the library. Pustakalaye means library. I read in the library. Tvam sayankale kridasi. Tvam, you, sayankale, in the evening, kridasi, play. You play in the evening. So let us understand the Saptami Vibhakti words in this slide. Bile, kotare, nagare, akashe, jale, udyane, akashe, vidyalaye, marge, vrikshe, pustakalaye, sayankale. These are all Saptami Vibhakti words. Let us move on to the next page. Ganeshaha ekaha chhatraha asti. A short story or short incident. Ganeshaha ekaha chhatraha asti. Ganesh is a student. Saha prataha pratidinam vidyalayam gacchati. Saha, he, prataha, in the morning, pratidinam, every day, vidyalayam gacchati. Gacchati, goes, vidyalayam, to the school. Vidyalayam is Dvitiya Bhakti, to the school. Saha Rameshena saha pratidinam udyane kridati. Saha, he, Rameshena saha. Saha is Tritiya Bhakti, with. He, with Ramesh. Saha means he, Rameshena saha, with Ramesh. Pratidinam, every day. Udyane, in the garden, Saptami Bhakti. Udyane, Saptami Bhakti, in the garden. Kridati, plays. He plays in the garden every day with Ramesh. Rameshaha Ganeshaya phalam anayati. Rameshaha, Ramesh. Anayati, brings, phalani, fruits. Ganeshaya, for Ganesh. Ramesh brings fruits for Ganesh. Tau sayankale grihat bahihi udyane kridataha. Tau, they both. Sayankale, in the evening. Grihat bahihi. Bahihi follows Panchami Bhakti. Grihat bahihi, outside the house. Udyane, in the garden. Again Saptami Bhakti. Kridataha, play. They both play in the garden in the evening outside the house. Udyanam Rameshasya grihasya samipe asti. Udyanam is near. Samipa. Samipa means near. Samipe asti. Udyanam samipe asti. The garden is near where Rameshasya grihasya samipa. Samipa follows Shashti Bhakti. So Rameshasya grihasya, house of Ramesh. The garden is near the house of Ramesh. So what we understand in this, we have used all the Vibhakti. First line, first Vibhakti, second line, second Vibhakti. Third line, third and seventh. Fourth line, fourth Vibhakti. Fifth line, fifth Vibhakti. Sixth line, sixth Vibhakti. So you also try to write like this using various words and send it to our email ID sanskrit.institute@gmail.com and it will be published by your name. Let us move on to the next slide. Let us learn the complete Ramayanam in short. Ramaha Veeraha Purushaha Asti. Ramaha, Ram, Veeraha Purushaha, very courageous man. Asti is. Rama is a courageous person or brave person. Saha Sitaya Lakshmanena cha saha vanam gacchati. Saha, he, vanam gacchati, he goes to forest. Saha, with, Sitaya Lakshmanena cha. Saha says Tritiya Bhakti. Sitaya Lakshmanena cha, with Sita and Lakshman. Ram goes to forest with Sita and Lakshman. Tatra Bharataha agacchati. Tatra, there, Bharataha, Bharata, the younger brother of Ram, agacchati, comes. Ramaha Bharataya Padukam yachati. Rama gives his paduka. Paduka means the sandals. Bharataya, for Bharata. Vane Ramaha Agastya Maharshim, Bharadwaja Maharshim, Atri Maharshim cha namati. Vane in forest, Ramaha Ram, Agastya Maharshim. Agastya Maharshi. He was a sage. Agastya was a sage. Bharadwaja Maharshim and the sage Bharadwaja. Atri Maharshi and also the sage Atri. Namati. He offers his salutations to these sages. Tataha Shabari Ashramam api gacchati. And he goes to Shabari Ashram. Shabari was a lady. He went to, Rama went to her ashram also. Dantakavane Ramasya Sahodari Shurpanakha agacchati. Meantime, Dantakavane, in the forest of Dandaka. Dandaka is the name of the forest. Ravanasya Sahodari. Ravana's sister. Shurpanakha. Name. Shurpanakha is the name. Agacchati. She comes. Lakshmanaha Shurpanakham Dandayati. Lakshmana punishes Shurpanakha. Shurpanakham is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Ravanaha Sitam Apaharati. Ravanaha is Ravana. Sitam Apaharati. Kidnaps Sita. Ramaha Lakshmanaha cha Sugrivena Hanumata cha Saha Lankam Gachatah. Ramaha Lakshmanaha cha. Rama and Lakshmana. Ram and Lakshman. Sugrivena Hanumata cha Saha. Saha with. With Sugriva and Hanuman. Lankam Gachatah. They go to Lanka. Tatra Ramaha Rakshasan Marayati. Tatra there. Ramaha Ram. Rakshasan to the Rakshasas. Marayati kills. Paschat Ayodhyam Agacchati. Paschat afterwards. Ayodhyam to Ayodhya. Agacchati comes. Afterwards he comes to Ayodhya. Ramayana is given in short. You also try small stories and send to our email ID. That will be published by your name. All the best. You also write stories and send to our email ID sanskrit.institute@gmail.com. All the best. Thank you.